All right, so if we're looking at this graph here, we have two different lines that we're going to put on the graph. Y equals 2x plus 2, y equals 2x minus 4. One thing I want you to notice is that both of these have a slope of 2, but they have a different y-intercept. So make sure you guys pay attention to that when you are graphing a line. So the first line I'm going to graph in yellow, all right? So my y-intercept is 2, so I'm going to go up to 0, comma 2, which is right here where I'm putting this dot. And that'll be my starting point. Then my slope is 2, so I'm going to count up to 1, 2. So I'm going to do 1, 2, and then over to 1. All right, 1, 2, over to 1. And then I am going to draw my line. And when you are drawing your line, make sure that it is in the corner of a square, okay? All right, so now my second line is going to be in red, and my y-intercept is -4. So I am going to go from 0, comma, to -4, which is right here. But my slope is 2, so I'm going to go up to 1, 2, and then over 1. And then I am going to draw my line. Remember again that you put it in the corner of a square, okay? All right, so now earlier I said I wanted you guys to make sure that you pay attention to the fact that the slope was the same. If you look at these lines never intersect, they do not touch. They are going in the same direction, and then they have space between them, which means that they are parallel lines. These lines are parallel to one another. All right. So, with that being said, parallel lines have the exact same slope. All right. Parallel lines have the exact same slope. So, when you see two lines and it says y equals 2x or 3x or whatever the slope is, if they both have the same slope, then they are going to be parallel lines.